Hi everyone. I just created a project using tabs. The focus I want to focus on is basically routing and also separating your mobile application. Now if you look at this particular format, the one I've used, is that I'm going to create a couple of pages that require no authentication and a couple of more pages that require authentication. I'm separating these pages not just in paper but also in design and the layout of my mobile application. Pages that require no authentication are pages that if anybody goes to your mobile application, any user can have access to this page. Meaning, if they go to your mobile application, automatically they should be able to go to the welcome page. Then from the welcome page, they can either sign up, become a member, or log in. And the index page is, of course, that's going to be the landing page. But you'll see how I'm going to use index and welcome. Forgot password, that is if you have already become a member and you've forgotten your password. So there are other additional pages that we can add here. But basically, no authentication pages. We're just trying to separate, even for security reasons also. So in my design and my layout. So all of these pages are pages that when you go to your mobile app, anybody can go to them and access them. Now, authenticated pages are pages that mean you've got to be a member in order for you to have access to these particular pages, meaning you've got to log in first and then be able to access these pages. Now you'll see even in my layout, pages that require authentication, I'm going to put a path because it means when I'm moving to them, I've got to put where in the path. But these ones, I won't even put the path because they require no authentication. So now what I've done already is that I've already created a project. I'm just going to open the project at this point in time. And I used the tab. I used tab because I want to use that format. Now, automatically there's just one page created here, which of course, 4 pages actually, because it's tab 1 up to 3, and then the tabs page. Here's it. It's tab 1, 2 up to 3. So what I do is I want to add additional pages. So I'm going to add 2 pages first. Ionic. I'm going to create the index page. Let me also create the home page. Now I want to add additional pages also, your login page, your sign up page, and all of those additional pages. I've used this example here. I'm going to add the message page, the news page, the settings page, because I'm going to use it as a tab layout, but I'm going to create my own tab layout using the existing tab layout. Now what we know is that automatically whenever we create or add a new page, that new page is loaded or imported. What we're used to is imported, and when we go to the app module, the app routing module, these are all the pages that have been imported. You can see tab has been imported, the index and the home page, which I've just recently created. But you will not see tab 1, tab 2, and tab 3. Those pages, because they belong within the tabs page, have been added in the routing tab page. So if you go to the routing tabs page, you'll see they are loaded as children of tabs. You can see tab 1, it's tab 1, it's tab 1, tab 2, and up to tab 3. So what we will do is, I want us to add a couple more pages, but I want these pages to belong in one folder. So I'm going to create a folder first and then add all of these pages in that folder. So let me go here, create a new folder. I'm going to create this folder and call it pages. Now I'm gonna go and add, let me just copy this so I can, my folder is called pages, and I'm gonna call it welcome. Let's start with the welcome page. Now let's add a login page. And I'm going to add a sign up page. I'm going to add a news page. I'm adding all of these pages within the pages folder. As you can see, that means go to this folder and then be able to, let me add messages. I will add notification because I want to put 4 tabs, notification and settings. So I've added all my pages. And if we were to go to the pages, all of them are here and available. Let me just also open the page so and see how it looks like at this point in time. So as you can see, the page has just a normal tabs page. So let me just take it to mobile view. So what I want is that whenever I click on, or whenever I execute the program, automatically must go to the welcome page. The tabs page will form part of the authorization pages. Those pages that need to be authorizated first. That needs to go to some sort of authorization before you have access to them. So what I'll do next, now that I've added all the pages, is I'm just gonna copy this because I'm gonna do the similar way. I'm gonna go to the index page and add the welcome page, because that is going to be the landing page, the welcome page, the sign up, the login. I think those are the 3 pages. I didn't put forgot password, all of those things. So I'm just going to put those 3 for now. So I'm going to come here. Similarly, as I've done, as you can see with the tabs. So I'm going to come here and then I don't need to put the path here. I need to put welcome. You will see, because welcome page is within this folder, so I need to put pages. Oh, the spelling is incorrect. You can see I used the wrong spelling there. It's fine. And let me just write it as I wrote it there. What did I say here? I'll just copy it as it is. Just a wrong spelling, guys. Now I need to do the same thing here. I'm gonna add log in and sign up. Now because I'm adding these, no, sorry, made a mistake there, but it's fine, I'll fix it up. Because I'm adding these here, means that I need to go to the app routing page and remove them from there, because now they are children of index. So let me go to the app routing page and then remove welcome, login, and sign up. No longer needed there. Now let me see if I'm able to go to the index page. What happens? Yeah, on the index page you can see I've got the index page. Now what I need to do is, let me go to change the routing, so I make it go to the index page. Whenever I load, I want it to go straight to the index page. So let me copy this, go to the index HTML content. I don't need this anymore. Same thing, if I go to the app routing page, I don't want it to go to the tabs page, so I don't need this anymore. Let's see. We'll fix it up. Let me go to the home page and do the same thing. I'll come back again here. Where's the home page? Here's the home page. Go to the app routing page. We come here. I need to just copy this. Go to the index page, the home routing module. Here, because this is going to require authentication, so I am going to put, I think we'll start with news. Now this means I'll do the same thing for all the pages. It just means I need to go to the app routing. That means I no longer need news, because I'm going to add all of these. So here all I need is just I don't need the